Let me show you how I promote multiple products with one click.
I use this strategy to make commissions online with affiliate marketing. The first method is to promote an ebook and put multiple affiliate links. For example, this link is for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that I use to build funnels and landing pages. And if someone clicks this link and buy the software, I can make a commission. In this page, I have more links. ClickFunnels for the 3-day business breakthrough challenge and for System.io. System.io is another software to build funnels, and you can use it for email marketing as well. And this is a great way to promote multiple affiliate products with one click.
Now, if you want to take this to the next level, let me show you this strategy.
You can promote a free course like this one. And when people watch the lesson and scroll down, they are going to find affiliate links in these buttons. For example, if I go to the next lesson, I have here more buttons. And as you can see the screen, I am promoting 10 links in this lesson.
The most important thing is that you are giving valuable information to people.
I have collected 1,073 emails
because I'm giving away this free course and the ebook. And this strategy is powerful because I'm promoting affiliate products without selling. I'm just sharing information.
And I use TikTok to drive traffic to my funnel. I'm sharing my journey and I have here my link.
Now, let me show you the product that I'm promoting to make commissions.
I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. This is a challenge about how to start a freelance digital marketing or affiliate marketing in 3 days.
And I'm using the Done For You system of this training to collect leads. If you want to take this challenge and learn how to properly set up this affiliate marketing business, I'm going to put my link in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.